Here's the birthday boy. Gagawin namin dito kakain at mag-KTV. First time ko dito. Oh my gosh, I feel so social. Happy birthday! Nasa labas.
Maging successful sa buhay.
Anong wish niya kayo? Maging ganda. Ano yung mga wishes niya in life?
Wish you all the best, John. Especially your singing career. I hope you will impart your talent with me. All the best, Johnny.
Hi! Love you puso.
Inaanak, alam mo na to. Happy birthday, love you. ko sa birthday niya. At ito yun. Open na natin kasi lalagay din natin siya. Iko-collect. Isa to dun sa mga gift ko sa kanya. And dumating na siya from Colin Wayne. Ang bilis nila mag-deliver in Paris. Let's open na natin. Open ko ba? Am I gonna open it? Or not? Open ko ha. Open ko na. Dito kasi siya. Open ko. Open it. Review it. Oh my god, ito na yung money clip. Here's the money clip. Okay. Wow, ang social naman. They have this pa. Guys, this is how it works. Kanya if I have money. This, diba? I have money. Ganyan. I'm gonna flip it. Flip it like this. Grabe mo. Tagas mo. Quality. The quality is so good. See? The quality of this. Ito siya. It's so good though. Colin Wayne. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Okay, balik na siya natin. Seal it. And then, here's the card holder / wallet. Colin Wayne. Eh, ako na nagbubukas for your love. Kasi you're not gonna do this naman. Wow, yung quality. It's so ganda. That's amazing. Okay, ganun pala siya. 1 and then 2. So there's 2. Let's try to put cards. Try. Ganda rin naman yung quality. In fairness. Just put a little. Ganyan lang. Lagi sa akin naman. Talo ko. Kasi yung dalawa. So good. Colin Wayne. Bye-bye.
Three, two, one.